If you want to install Xero on your mobile phone, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you the easiest way to download Xero, install it properly, and get signed in so you can start using it right away. Whether you're setting it up for business bookkeeping, invoicing, or just managing your accounts on the go, this process is simple and only takes a minute. And if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials like this. All right, let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Google Play Store. This is where you'll find the official Xero app for Android devices. Once the Play Store opens, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in Xero and wait for the results to load. Make sure you choose the correct app and look for the official Xero listing so you know you're downloading the right one. After you find the app, tap Install. Your phone will begin downloading and installing Xero automatically. Depending on your internet connection, this may take just a few seconds or a little longer. While it installs, you can stay on the same screen and wait for the process to complete. Once the installation finishes, you'll see an Open button appear. Tap Open to launch the app for the first time. When Xero opens, it may ask for a few permissions or show a welcome screen. Just follow the on-screen prompts to continue. Now it's time to sign in or create an account. If you already have a Xero account, enter your login details and sign in. If you're new to Xero, choose the option to create an account and follow the setup steps. Make sure you use the correct email address and business details so everything syncs properly. After that, you're ready to start using Xero on mobile. You can access your account, check your business information, and manage things on the go from your phone. That's the full process for installing Xero on mobile, and as you can see, it's very straightforward. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.